Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about Lazio per USDT pair. So from the $1 they go to the $100 in here, and why it can be so high. First, because Launchpad on the Binance, and the second one is only, I guess, wait a minute, is in the 1 hour chart. Okay, it's already 3 hour in the Lazio USDT pair. When we're looking on the 15 minutes, is still having correction. Go in the $20, it's already 1 per 5, right? And don't entry right now, it's a little bit risky for you. If you want to entry, it has to be like 1 or 2 months, then you can entry on the Lazio. But right now, don't entry because it's the first day of the Launchpad and already go in the secondary market, right? For the Bollinger Band here, it's already having a correction. We're gonna go to the 5 minute also. This is the 5 minute for the Lazio. Really already go to the lower band here, the purple one at 20.47 US dollar. They should be break again below 18 and then go like at 10, range of 10, and you can entry slightly when it's already 2 until 3 weeks. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.